Hi guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. We are going to do the giveaway drawing for the Traveler's Notebook insert that I made using some of Kathy King's Fleck 2715 paper collection, her very first paper collection. So she sent this to me. And I didn't have time to make a whole project, but I did show you guys the paper in a video, and that was 2 weeks ago, I believe. And I had made 2 Traveler's Notebook inserts, one to give away, and then I sent the other one to Kathy. And so today is the drawing to give away this little Traveler's Notebook. So if you don't know Kathy King, she is Paper Phenomena here on YouTube, and I will put her YouTube channel in the description box below, and I think she still has some of these paper packs available if you want to check it out. But I do know she has the digital version. I'm not sure if she's going to have it forever, but she has both, so if you want to go check it out. But 2 weeks ago, I said in my video, all you had to do to enter was to leave a comment down below the video. And so I have my YouTube comment picker here. And I've already punched in, I can't talk today. I already put in the URL for the video, and I searched up the comments, and they're there. So I'm just gonna hit start. So whoever's name pops up will get this Traveler's Notebook that I made. And the winner is Debbie Gilbert. And she said, love, love, love it. Thumbs up, smiley face, couple flower emojis. Okay, so down below, Debbie, I have a link to an email, or I have an email address down below. It's just for giveaway winners. So Debbie, you need to contact me through that email address, and I will get your Traveler's Notebook to you. If you want me to sign it, let me know. Congratulations, Debbie. Let me write this down, actually, so that I don't forget. Debbie Gilbert. So I have another surprise for you guys. Kathy sent me something else. Let me get it. I haven't even opened it yet, but she sent me her other new paper collection. Let me set this aside. And this one is called 31 Night Street, which is cool. 31 Night Street. And what's super cool about this is most of you guys know that my birthday is actually on Halloween. And I usually make a Halloween album. So I think what I'm going to do is make a Halloween album out of this. And I might even give it away. But what's really cool about what Kathy did, she sent me 2 sets. So actually there's 4 paper pads in here. So she sent me an extra couple to give away to you guys as well. So I haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to do the giveaway, but I do want to show you guys the paper. I haven't even looked at it yet. Okay, let me get it open here. Alrighty, what do we got here? I know she has it in a digital collection as well. Again, I will link her stuff below if you want to check it out. If I can get it out of the little package here. Come on. Okay, so let's check this out. You can even use these parts here on the cover as little cut aparts. Let's see, there are. Oh, this was done by Kathy King and Dee Dee. I don't know how to say her name. I'm going to have to pay attention to how you say their last name, or her last name. It has 24 12 by 12 double-sided papers, 48 unique designs, which I think is pretty cool. She doesn't really repeat, like you don't get 3 of the same page, or you don't get 4 of the same page. You know, everything is unique on its own. So let's check this out. So she's got some pretty cool, obviously there's a lot of oranges and blacks in this. You know, the only color that's missing, Kathy, is purple. Purple. When I make my album, I'm going to have to add some purple. I love this. It's got some script and stuff in the background. Ooh! check that out. You know what I should do? I should make, you know, we're going to be making this Christmas album soon. I should make a Halloween version of this. This is what we made at Madecon. I should make a Halloween version of this album. That's what I should do. That's exactly what I should do. Anyway, just this skeleton made me think of that. Look at that. And again, the paper is so nice. Does it say what pound it is here? I don't think it does. And I don't remember what she said. But anyway, so the paper feels really nice, is what I'm trying to say. Let me scoot this over. Ooh, check this wood background out. Wow, that is really cool looking. It's got orange and black. That is really pretty. And then the back side is, I think it'd be really cool if it had the Halloween definition on here. It does! There's the Halloween right there. Oh look, the Eve of All Saints. All Hallows Eve, October 31st. That's my birthday. It should say Genevieve's birthday. Anyway, so there's a dictionary page. Oh, check that out. It almost looks like the eyes are glowing. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on camera, but that is really cool looking. I like. Ooh, there's a bold orange and black stripe. There's another cool skeleton and the vintage script on the back. Cool witch's hat and crow. Nice. That's really pretty. It's a nice pattern, like wallpapery looking. Oop, and there's a black and cream stripe. Oh, that's pretty. It's got little sparklies. It looks sparkly. And then on the back is a polka dot. Can't go wrong with polka dots. There's an orange and black stripe. Oh, there's the graph paper. That's pretty cool. There's some stars with an orange and black stripe. There's that chevron pattern with some script in the background. Ooh, I like that. That looks like vintage wallpaper too. This looks like an old chalkboard. Very cool. Ooh, wow, that one's bright. That is a bright orange. Oh, I see now. I get it. It's like, okay. I see. It's like a reddish orange. That's really pretty. Did I show you the back side of it? Yeah. I like this. Cut aparts or collage page. These kind of things can really make an album, you know, can really make it pop. So cute. What's on the back? Some dictionary page. Yeah, same thing. There's Halloween up there. And then there's like a little graveyard. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, look at that design back there. It's real soft, but that is beautiful. That is really, really pretty. I like that a lot. And there's some trees and of course some tombstones. And there's the dictionary page again. See, I like it that it's cool. And it's like something that I did with my digital papers, where you take the same thing and you just change it up and it just gives you that many more options and it goes together. So I like it. I like it. Ooh, I like this one. There looks like a moth. Those are pretty. I like the cobwebs. And another polka dot. Harlequin. I love that. I love that. And dictionary page. That's pretty. That looks like old lace. So that's really nice. And then there's a chevron. And there's some music paper. And some, oh, that's pretty. And the clock. I just love how she mixes all these different elements together. And there's another stripe. Ooh, I like this one. I like this little, look at the bats right there. Isn't that cute? I like that one a lot. There's all kinds of cool stuff going on here. Ooh, I like that Harlequin a lot too. There's a black and white stripe. Whoa. And then a black and white polka dot. This one's pretty. Cool chandelier with this cool swirly design. I like that with the Harlequin. And then some stars on the back side of that. Little chalkboard, RIPs and ghosts and cobwebs, October 31st. Orange on the back. Ooh, what is that? That's crazy. What is that? What is that supposed to be? Is that like a cobweb? Oh, it's pretty cool either way. And then there's a grid. That's neat. I haven't seen a black and cream grid before. Like a graph paper type grid. Oh, these are cute. These little faces. These different little spooky faces. Those are cute. And a polka dot background. That's cute. Stars on the back. Let's see. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whispers. 'Tis near Halloween. Knock if you dare. That's cute. I like that. That and brick. I like it. And little trick-or-treaters, that's cute. Ooh, I like the backside. It's cool that, you know, even the backsides, if it's real fancy on one side, the backside seems a little bit plainer, but sometimes you need just plain. Or you can use, you know, half of this on something, and then you can use this half on something else. You know what I'm saying? I like the way she designed her paper. These are cute little candies. I like that. And Harlequin. And then another cut apart. I like these. Wicked never looks so cute. That's cute. Oh, and this one, these are blank on the back side. Okay. And here's another one. See, I like these vintage images. I think that looks so cool. A jolly Halloween. Mine were always jolly, but it's my birthday. Home of the Wicked Witch and all their little monsters. That's cute. Which better have my candy? Which better have my candy? That's funny. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. And then we got some strips. Now welcoming candy collectors. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Having a coffin break. Sit for a spell and have some brew. Ghost gather here. That's cute. That's cute. Oh, and a little Ouija. Oh, Ouija. I don't even know how you say it. You know what I'm talking about. It's like the little piece that goes on top that everybody's supposed to touch. Gently. Cute little, is that a moon or what is that? I can't tell, but it's cool looking. There's some moss and then looks like trick-or-treat bags. I don't know, is that supposed to be a bag? I bet it is. I bet you could cut it out and make it a bag. That's cute. And little candies. And then here's some tabs and some bats. These kind of look like this, for example. If you've got one of those fancy dancy machines, you can cut that out with it because there's a black line all the way around. That's cool. That's a good idea. Caution, Scare Factory tabs. Enter at your own risk. I like that. I like the typewriter font, or not the typewriter font. What is that? Label maker look. October 31st, boo, Halloween memories. And so that's the last page. So what do you guys think? You like it? I like it. I think it's cool. But I will add some purple. Nobody tell Kathy. Okay. So I'm going to figure out how to do a giveaway because I've got 3 sets here. Plus I'm going to make a Halloween album. It might take more than 1 set though. We'll see. So, we'll have to talk more about that later. So anyway, so congratulations to the winner. And I will put all of Kathy's information below. Her YouTube channel is probably what I'll do because on her YouTube channel, all of her videos have all of her information down below her videos. So I'll probably just link her YouTube video. But thanks, Kathy, for sending all of this paper. So I will definitely be making a Halloween album and I will definitely be giving away some of these packs. So you guys go check it out and let her know what you think. Okay, so don't forget to contact me, Debbie, yes, through that email down below. And that's all I got for you guys. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit the circle. Here is a link to my Etsy shop if you're interested in my Wanderlust printable mini album templates, traveler's notebook type situation. And there should be some other videos here on the screen that you may want to check out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.